Hey guys, alright, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you some absolutely amazing, completely revolutionary techniques in ZBrush that honestly I haven't seen anyone on YouTube even show you guys how to do, okay? So you guys are going to be thanking me for this. I think it's amazing. Okay, so I'm mumbling too much, let's get straight to it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a cube, an actual square in ZBrush. Now, for a lot of people, beginners, they really don't know how to do this. So you can see I've opened a fresh instance of ZBrush. So once it's opened, you see this icon over here, it says Simple Brush. And it pretty is simple to do, by the way. So click on that, and there's like an item here or an object called a cube 3D. So if we click on that and I hold down my left mouse button and drag this out, I'm going to go ahead and hide my lightbox, click on edit, and it'll change this material to like a basic material. There we go, guys. Absolutely amazing. We've got a cube in 3D. I can see it from the front, even underneath and on top. It's completely three-dimensional. It looks amazing. I mean, if you put this into some renders, it's going to look incredible. We'll probably just have to put some random dude standing here at the bottom looking at this amazing cube. But I mean, it's super crisp, and you can go ahead and actually export this as an OBJ out of ZBrush, and that was pretty easy to do, right? So it really is that simple, guys. You just click over here and you click on Cube 3D and you'll have a actual cube in your scene. Amazing and super easy to do. Okay guys, I also have, you can see there's an image here. It's a really good tutorial. I show you how to create a sphere from start to finish. Really good. It is a premium tutorial for $599, but don't worry about that. You'll get your money's worth with this. I promise. It's really good. I'll show you from start to finish how to create the sphere, because you know it's a lot more complex. I mean, it's round and stuff, because this one's like square. So yeah, you'll be able to create a sphere at the end of this tutorial. We'll even render the sphere, and it's really cool. So if you guys want to support me, there's actually a link in the description. Go ahead, $699 for my sphere tutorial, and you guys will really enjoy it and I'll appreciate it. Okay, so thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you learned something awesome for creating a cube. It's really good. Yeah, stay tuned for some more tutorials, and goodbye.